Have you been feeling extremely weak? Like even getting out of bed feels impossible? Are your joints on fire with pain, your skin breaking out in rashes, and your body constantly sweating? If yes, you might be facing chikungunya, a viral infection that has been spreading fast worldwide, even in the United States. But here's the good news. Today I'll share powerful, all-natural remedies that can help fight weakness, reduce joint pain, clear rashes, and restore your energy without side effects. Stay with me till the very end, because each remedy is simple, effective, and may change your recovery journey. Recently, I've seen so many people in the US complain about long-lasting weakness and unbearable joint pain after viral infections. Some even say they feel like they have aged 10 years overnight. That's how devastating chikungunya can be. But here's the truth. Nature has powerful solutions. These remedies don't just mask symptoms, they help your body heal from within. Remedy 1. Energy tea for weakness and inflammation. To fight weakness and restore energy, try this natural tea. 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, agewane, a pinch of black seeds, nigella kalonji, a small piece of fresh ginger boil until half remains. Drink it twice daily. It reduces inflammation, strengthens digestion, and boosts your energy. Remedy 2. Golden healing milk for pain. Relief. Joint pain and body aches are the worst symptoms. For relief, make golden milk. Half glass of milk plus half glass of water. Add turmeric, a little cinnamon, and a tiny pinch of carom seeds. Simmer until thick and creamy. Drink it before bed. This golden milk heals your body overnight, reduces pain, and helps you sleep better. Remedy 3. Natural solution for skin rashes. Chikungunya often causes itchy red rashes. Here's what helps. Drink fresh apple juice mixed with lemon juice every morning. Apply coconut oil directly on rashes. If available, drink papaya, leaf water once a day for blood cleansing. This naturally clears the skin and reduces irritation. Remedy 4. Natural strength booster. Extreme fatigue and muscle weakness? Take 1 teaspoon of safed muesli powder with yogurt or water daily. It's an ancient herb known for restoring stamina and balancing energy. Remedy 5. Dizziness and excessive sweating. If you struggle with dizziness or sweating, Mieli BX Hazel, Tulsi, and Barrage, Gavzaban, powder with honey lick slowly during the day. This cools the body, balances electrolytes, and controls sweating. Remedy 6. Joint pain massage oil. For severe joint pain, use this natural oil, warm black seed oil, kalonji oil. Add a small piece of cinnamon. Massage sore joints daily. It reduces swelling, improves blood flow, and provides instant relief. Lifestyle tips for faster recovery. To heal faster, avoid sugar, sodas, and processed foods. They worsen inflammation. Eat light, nutrient-rich meals with vegetables and soups. Stay hydrated with water, herbal teas, and natural juices. Take vitamin D3, B12, or multivitamins if recommended by your doctor. These simple steps, along with remedies, speed up recovery. My dear friends, chikungunya may feel overwhelming, but it's not impossible to fight. With the right natural remedies, proper rest, and healthy lifestyle changes, your body can recover and rebuild stronger than before. These remedies are safe for adults, seniors, and even children, except patients on dialysis. I truly pray for your healing and strength. Swing, because a simple natural remedy could make a huge difference in someone's life. Stay positive, stay strong, and remember, nature always provides a cure. See you in the next video.